Hey everyone, welcome back to CS Garage. Today is part 4 of my 1970 Monte Carlo Pro Touring build. This is the frame narrowing and boxing segment. So today I'm going to start with the boxing of the rear portion of the frame. As you see right here, I have it all cleaned up. A lot of wire wheeling. I thought I burnt up a drill, but I just overheated it at work today. Came out pretty good. Cleaning it. I plan on doing the entire frame with a wire wheel, cleaning the entire frame with the wire wheel. The pieces I'm going to install today, so those are the pieces I'm going to be fabricating and get them ready to weld in, and they go in this area right here. Something like that. What I'm seeing here is the top there of the frame is not even or flat. So I'm going to have to trim that up, see how that all looks, trim it up, make it flat so it welds and looks smooth. Got to weld it inside there too, so trimming, bending up and down the frame, using probably a crescent wrench to get this piece to fit inside with the frame rail. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'll bring you back when I have the pieces ready to weld it. All right, after several hours of trimming, massaging, what have you, I got both sides fitting pretty good. As you can see right here, passenger side. I think I can get these welded in looking pretty good. I'll show you the driver's side. Just notice this is up higher than, this is up higher than that. So I think I gotta trim a little bit more here, lower this down. I don't know, I'll work that a little bit more, get it even. So these fit like it, so those fit like as if it was factory. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So the next step is to clean both these pieces. I'll weld through primer on the inside. And then start welding them in so when that happens. Okay, like I said, I got these all trimmed up, massaged, what have you, to fit in here pretty good on both sides. You can see right here. I also went ahead and cleaned them up, wire wheeled them. And on the back side of both of them, I have applied weld-through primer, as you can see right here. So next, I'm gonna be doing some welding on these. Do a little bit of welding on camera and massaging as I go. I'm gonna do, spot welds throughout. Do some adjusting on this piece, make sure it's level and all that and fits the best way it should fit, if that makes sense. So that's what I'll be showing next. So I'm going to show you all of the welding I'm doing, but I will show you some of the welding, of the spot welding. Get it. All right, I wanted to show you guys my welding, the progress of my welding. Slow, using my air to cool down the welds, bouncing back and forth to each side. Oops, here's the other side. I'm just going to continue doing that. Back and forth, taking my time, cooling my welds. Welding and grinding is complete on both sides. Try to radius the top. I tried to radius the top and the bottom. It took a while to grind it. Weld it in there. Not super pretty. Kind of hard to do. Plus I'm blind. Doesn't help. Here's the other side. Driver's side. Came out pretty good. I'll come back before I paint the frame and fix some of these welds up. But I think it looks pretty decent, except for the welds back there. It's all rust treated with Picklix rust treatment, like I have done with the rest of the bare metal to protect it. Stays protected indefinite if the project that you're working on that you've treated the metal with stays in the garage, then you shouldn't have to worry about rust. Wanted to show you what the frame looked like from the top after it's finished. If you remember from earlier, I showed you how it was uneven. Got it pretty flush. Trimmed it up. Here's the other side. Pretty identical for the most part. Happy with it. Came out pretty good. So this is going to do it for this video on the boxing of the rear portion of the frame. I'm not going to do the back. At least I haven't decided to do the back portion yet. ABC Performance provided these pieces, as I mentioned before. They do not provide a piece to fill in this back portion, and I don't even know if it's really necessary. Maybe these sections aren't necessary either, but kind of looks better, not kind of, but it looks better than it did with them being boxed. The next video will be boxing in the center portion. I'm gonna have to start cleaning them up on the inside like I did in the back. And once it's all cleaned up and I have applied weld-through primer, I will be starting the box welding into those pieces. So I'll show you that on the next coming video. Thank you for all of you who have liked and subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Give me a comment. Comment on what you think so far. What you like to see, what you don't like to see. And I would really appreciate it.